Today, I'm going to walk you through how to instantly sync your Jira data with either Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a live connection so you can analyze, share, or report on your Jira tickets directly inside your spreadsheets, saving you tons of time and keeping everyone on the same page. Let's start with Google Sheets. Since many of us love the flexibility of working online, Jira's official integration, called Jira Cloud for Sheets, makes it surprisingly easy to pull your Jira issues straight into Google Sheets. Here's how you do it. First, you'll need to install the add-on. In your Google Sheets document, head up to the Extensions menu, hover over Add-ons, and choose Get Add-ons. In the search bar that pops up, type in Jira Cloud for Sheets. When it appears, go ahead and install it. This part is just about giving Google Sheets the right tool to talk to Jira. If you've installed other add-ons before, you'll notice this process is pretty familiar. After the add-on is installed, it's time to connect your Jira account. Back up in Extensions, you'll now see Jira Cloud for Sheets as an option. Click that and open it up. The add-on will walk you through connecting to your Jira Cloud site. Just follow the prompts and make sure you're signed in to the correct Atlassian account. You might need to authorize access, but don't worry, it's a one-time setup that ensures your spreadsheet can securely talk to Jira. Now comes the fun part, actually importing your Jira data. On the right side of your Sheets window, you'll notice a sidebar from the add-on appears. Here's where you can either pick an existing Jira filter, maybe something like all tickets assigned to me, or if you prefer more control, you can write your own JQL query. JQL might sound intimidating, but it's simply a way to ask Jira for exactly what you want, like, show me all unresolved bugs in this project. When you're ready, just hit import and watch your spreadsheet populate with real-time Jira issues. One especially handy feature, there's an option to automatically refresh your data, so your sheet always stays up to date without you having to repeat these steps. Super useful if you're managing ongoing sprints or weekly reports. Switching over to Microsoft Excel, you'll find a very similar experience thanks to Jira's official add-in for Excel. Here's how to set that up. Start by going to the Home tab in Excel and look for the Add-ins option. Click there, and in the Microsoft Store, search for Jira Cloud for Excel. Once you find the add-in, add it to your Excel. It should appear in your ribbon once installed. To connect your Jira account, click on Get Started inside the add-in panel. It'll walk you through verifying and granting access to your Atlassian account. Don't worry if you need to pause and hunt down your login details. This part is just making sure Excel has permission to pull in your Jira data. With the connection set, you're good to start importing. Just like in Sheets, you can use this Excel add-in to fetch issues based on saved filters or custom JQL queries. This is ideal for creating reports, summaries, or dashboards inside Excel that always reflect the current state of your Jira projects. If you're a project manager juggling multiple teams, you'll love how easy it is to see exactly what's happening across all your boards, live right inside your spreadsheets. And that's it. With a few simple steps, you've set up a direct pipeline from Jira to your favorite spreadsheet tool, unlocking tons of possibilities for tracking, visualization, and collaboration. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit like. And if you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below. I love hearing what you're working on and helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy syncing.